Okay, so this is a real-life test of the data acquisition system for class 40275 in the Embedded Computer Engineering certification course for it's provided by University of California of San Diego, and this system is set up now with a console to my laptop that's open, showing the menu configuration. And so what I'm going to do first is set up show how the configuration is done once from a reboot of the controller. Alright, so I'm going to have to jockey my laptop, which is actually sitting on the front seat of my car, and we'll start with the clock setup. Okay, military hours, now it's closest to 2 o'clock. Okay, let me get that entered. And the minutes is about 2:08. Okay, we're going to set the start time for the data acquisition at, let's say, 2:30. Okay. So we'll go start time setup. Hours is 02. And minutes will be, we'll make it 31. Okay, the interval, we're going to keep this as a brief test, so we'll make the interval 4 seconds. Number of records, we'll go with 30. Okay, so we can quit this. We can check the data that we just entered. Okay, everything looks good to go. So we'll quit the setup. And you can see it's starting to count down until the time will be 2:31, which is an AM time, and that will be about a minute from now. And then you'll see it will start to collect data for, in this case, what did we say? Number of records was 30, so that would be at the rate of 4-second interval between records. That would be 15 per minute, so that'll be for 2 minutes that we should see data being entered. And let me explain the setup here, which is that this is actually running in a vehicle. I have the board only connected via the serial USB to serial port for the data entry for the laptop. But now I could actually just disconnect that. The board is actually being powered by USB. You can't really see that, it's too dark, but that is that little glowing dot you can see there. And the sensor is outside of the car window. Also not very visible. Unless I turn on another light source, but there's the cable that leads to the window, and the little sensor is just right outside there. Okay, so we have basically a portable or mobile data acquisition system, and I could actually drive somewhere while the test is being run if I wished. Not this time though.